Why do old F1 cars look so different? Imagine stepping back in time to when racing cars looked more like speedy go-karts than the sleek machines we see today. That's because, over the years, Formula One has changed a lot, especially in how the cars are built and regulated. The reason old F1 cars look so different is mainly due to how rules and technology evolved. Back in the 1950s and early 1960s, F1 cars had front-engine layouts. That means the engine sat right in front of the driver, just like a big car. These cars were simple, with no aerodynamic wings, and used heavy materials like steel for their bodies. They had exposed suspension parts and narrow tires, giving them a mechanical, open look. A big change happened in the 1960s when teams started putting the engine behind the driver. This mid-engine design made the cars more balanced and easier to handle. It also allowed engineers to make the cars lighter by using aluminum for the body panels. The Lotus 25, introduced in 1962, was the first to use a monocoque chassis, which is a single shell that holds everything together. This made the car more rigid and lighter, setting the stage for future designs. As the years went on, aerodynamics became a huge focus. In the late 1960s, teams added wings to the cars to create downforce, which helps keep the car glued to the track during corners. By the 1970s, teams experimented with ground effect technology, where the shape of the car's underside created suction, increasing grip. Some teams even tried six-wheeled cars to improve handling and aerodynamics. But as these innovations grew more extreme, the FIA, the governing body for racing, stepped in to set rules. They limited things like car width, wing height, and ground clearance to keep racing safe and fair. These regulations made the cars more uniform in shape and size. Safety features also changed how cars looked, with crash structures, the Halo cockpit protection device, and other safety gear becoming standard. All these changes in rules, materials, and safety standards over the decades explain why old F1 cars look so different. They reflected the technology and safety understanding of their time. Early cars were simple, heavier, and less aerodynamic, while modern cars are highly engineered machines designed for maximum speed, safety, and efficiency. That's why the visual difference between old and new F1 cars is so striking.